In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update multiple tasks fast in Clickup. We all know how important it is to keep our task list updated, especially when working collaboratively on projects. Fortunately, Clickup provides a quick and efficient way to make changes to multiple tasks at once, saving you both time and effort. Let's dive right in. First, make your way over to Clickup's website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL clickup.com. Once there, you'll notice the familiar interface that Clickup users have come to appreciate. The next step is straightforward. Log into your Clickup account, click the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Now for those of you using Google for a swift login process, click on the Sign In with Google option. It's a great way to effortlessly access your account without having to remember yet another password. If prompted, choose the Google account you'd like to use, select the appropriate account, and you'll be directed straight into your Clickup workspace. With your dashboard in view, it's time to hone in on the tasks you want to update. In your task view, look for the box located next to the name column. Clicking this box will allow you to select all the tasks you want to update. This is a powerhouse feature, particularly when you're dealing with numerous tasks that require simultaneous modifications. Once you have your task selected, you have several options for updates. You can change the status of all selected tasks. Think of status changes like moving tasks from in progress to completed, or any other custom status that aligns with your workflow. Next, consider updating the assignees. It's common for tasks to juggle hands, especially in dynamic teams. ClickUp makes it simple to assign all selected tasks to a new team member with just a few clicks. Furthermore, you can adjust the dates associated with these tasks. Deadlines, start dates, and due dates can all be changed collectively, which is indispensable when project timelines shift. Lastly, don't forget the option to update tags. Tags are a fantastic way to categorize tasks and add context. Whether you're adding new tags or removing old ones, doing so in bulk is efficient and ensures consistency across related tasks. And there you have it, a concise and effective way to update multiple tasks in ClickUp. By mastering these steps, you can more efficiently manage your workload and keep your projects running smoothly. Remember, in ClickUp's environment, taking a few minutes to update tasks can save you hours down the road. Thanks for watching and happy task managing in ClickUp.